So we will be able to start quickly from here. I hope you should be able to hear me now very clear. Can you hear me? Okay, perfect. So today is a very wonderful class. So for those of you that are here, if you want to see me, you could come to the YouTube to the stream channel. You'll be able to see me, and because I'm not streaming from all in one platform, which is like Zoom for picture quality. So that's why you can't be able to see me from the Zoom now. But you can be able to hear my voice, and I can be able to hear you. You know what I mean? So so this meeting will last for average 45 minutes, and within the hour of um, an hour. An hour. So I don't know how many of you are traders. Okay, you are aspiring trader. Okay. Okay, perfect. So we have okay, we are not really as expected. So I don't know if I should give more time for people to join. So I have Mojas, I have Ko, I have Ijelo, I have Ejima. So I don't. Our regular people are not here today. Yeah. So I need to have more people. But for the sake of time, I will see me want to start as soon as possible. I'll record this meeting for them. For us, it's one of our biggest webinar, to be honest, because we're talking about money, and we're talking about trading, and we're talking about the major thing, what can give you money in trading. So we are discussing about gold investment and trading, how to trade on gold and how to invest on gold. That is exactly what we're talking about, gold investment and trading. Then we just have to let you know how it works and how the big boys are making money from it. Well, I've done some note on it. I've set some note on it. To be honest, the note was not drafted by me, but I like the content, so I'm presenting the content to you so that you can be able to see what it's all about. I hope you can see my screen there. Yeah. So this was gold investment program that was done in the UAE. So these are the people that did it. This guy has 15 years of experience in portfolio management. This guy is an expert in global economic trend. This one is dedicated to personalized client support. So the one that did this, as you can see their names. So, but that's a key important thing I want to take from here before I share other screen so that you guys will even understand. Some of you are trading gold on Forex platform, and they don't even want to care about how to even come to the main platform where the major deal is done. The same way some of you are trading stock on Forex platform and you don't care to even understand how the major stock market is traded. The same way some of you are trading Forex, cryptocurrencies, and let's say number of currency pairs on Forex platform. But you don't even care to even understand how the finance work. And that is the limitation you have why you're not growing. So the more you know something, the more you grow on it. So this gold investment and trading webinar is designed to let you know how the proper financial market works, and focusing on to gold and how you can be able to maximize the opportunity. Is that all right? So in case you have people you think they should join this webinar, please share our link with them and let them know how it works, and let them know so that they can be able to come in as soon as possible. So going further, let me just show you something. All of us knows about gold already, and it's one of the major asset classes we trade on the financial market. There's no platform that does not have gold. Gold has performed the best. Today I was discussing with one of one of the big broker in the world, one of the big hogger. He told me that he'd been busy. That's why he's been unable to answer me for about a week now, because that they are focusing on the clients that are trading gold. You see that they are focusing on clients that are trading gold, because there is a lot of clients who's interested in trading on gold. So probably their staff paid attention to that. That's to tell you that gold has a lot of things. So now there are advantage of that why people are trading on gold. So it has liquidity. So it's easily convertible to cash, and it is also used for portfolio diversification. So that is the advantage of gold. And as another way you can invest in gold, the same way now you know about physical gold. This seminar now, or this webinar rather, is designed to let you know how you can invest in physical gold, such as gold bars, gold coins. But we are not going to talk on jewelries, because we are not dealing on jewelries, but we are going to focus on I can invest on gold bars and gold coins. Then we're not going to discuss on paper gold. That's gold ETF, gold mutual fund, because some of you are not investing on mutual fund. Yeah, you are just trading on, yeah, MT4 platform to fill up any account. Yeah. So then we're gonna discuss on digital gold, because some of you are trading on digital gold. The MT4 account is digital gold, of course, which everybody trade on, and which is online platform for fractional purchase. You trade on leverage product, you put small amount of money, you increase the leverage, then you trade. So we are focusing on the first one, physical gold, digital gold, and online, which is for online trading platform, and how you can be able to work on that. So you already know the factors that have affect gold and everything. So why gold outperforms in uncertainty times? So these are the reasons why gold is doing very much well. Like for example, it's a safe haven. There's no counterparty risk, and it is good to hedge against inflation, which is good to hedge against your own trading. Then it's also high growth potential, and it has liquidity, and it's also generate dividend income. Then it also has stable income and a low risk, and it also has a predictable return. So these are the things that you will need. You need to know about. Because some of you already know about this, so I just want to refresh it using this particular note. And it's good that it was not me that drafted it, so I don't think that I just formatted it. It came from investment experts. I just have their notes, so that's why I also gave them reference before I started. I hope that's very much clear. So now we are going further to discuss. So we are going further to discuss why you should invest in gold, or how to invest on gold. You know what I mean? So how to invest on gold. So the platform we are using to teach on that is this platform. So it's not a very difficult thing, so that you'll be able to know. It's like kind of, it's not like a rocket science that's too difficult for you. This is the platform we are using to invest on gold. I hope you can see the platform clearly. What can you see there, please? Yeah, yeah. So the platform we use in investing, you know that those things we discussed now, you may not even know, you know them, but you don't have access to them. Why we trade only on forex? Because that's what we have access to. Even the stock market where we are in Nigeria, some of us don't even have even stock account, don't have access to all these people. So it makes it look as if their market is taken off from us. So the one we have access is the one we trade. Just like cryptocurrency, we have access to cryptocurrency. So we don't have any option that to focus our investment on crypto. I mean stuff like that. So this platform is called GFT Alpha. Is one of the only platform so far, or one of the best platforms so far, that you can use in trading and they hedge your account with physical gold. I said trading and the hedge account with physical gold. So you may be wondering, which one is this? They're not a broker. So you have your account with your broker. Let's say AvaTrade or SNS or any of your broker. You have account there, but you hedge through the platform. Then it is also uh, a very good innovative platform that give you up-to-date price of gold. As you can see, the gold so far have done about 41% this year. Last 2 weeks, it was about 50%. You know that the price get to 4,400. Now it has dropped to $4,000 per ounce, which is also very good. So imagine if you have been investing on gold all this while, you may most likely be having up to this amount of return. You may most likely be having up to this amount of return this year, which you cannot even get in the mutual fund or treasury bill. I know that those of us that trade on derivative, we could make it in maybe in a month or stuff like that, but we are focusing on how you can invest and how you can hedge, because on the fact that you trade on a high leverage product which will make good big amount of return, all of us know that there are chances of losing capital, which is one of the reasons this platform is serving. It's a platform that prevents you from losing your capital in trading, because it gives you access now to hedge your account with physical gold, the same way the big traders are hedging. So currently the platform is in partnership. Okay, there's other advantage of using the platform. So it can be able to trade on physical gold, just as I mentioned on my note. It can be able to have multi-account execution platform. Then it can be able to do automated and hybrid on the platform. So those of you that are workers, so you may not be able to trade manually on your platform, then you can be able to use the automated trading platform to trade. And this platform is in partnership with AvaTrade. I didn't put AvaTrade here, but I have to mention them. But they're not the sponsor of this program, so I have to let you know. So it's a partnership with AvaTrade. For those of you that trade on the normal platform, and you could be able to, all these things here is the same amount of money AvaTrade accept. You can be able to start trading. It means if you have an AvaTrade account, or if you open an AvaTrade account, then you can be able to connect. That's why I told you initially you can connect with any broker. But it's not that they will just go and start onboarding different brokers that maybe does not even meet their you know what I mean? So there are hundreds of brokers everywhere. So they have to get the actual broker that meets this criteria. AvaTrade is a commodity-based broker. There's also that's got their order flow from New York Stock Exchange. They're also member of Dubai Gold Exchange. They have the license there. Dubai commodity market, not Dubai Gold, Dubai commodity market, and that commodity market is also relatively to Dubai Gold Exchange and stuff like that. So now these are the advantages you will have while you are investing, while you're trading with this platform. Now, let me show you. This is how the platform look like. So this is how the platform look like. I hope you can see my screen. So let's say you log in. This is how the platform look like. You log on the platform, so you see an opportunity where you can be able to hedge your account with gold. Then you can as well make a deposit, of course, then make withdrawal. When you say make deposit, you're depositing on your trading account with the broker that is affiliated or partnership with this company. Then you can also deposit to hold your asset classes with gold. Now, let's say this is your portfolio. The entire money you have is $700,000. Then a portion of it can go into gold hedging here, and a portion of it will go into trading. So this one is leverage product, this one here. So the more you trade here, the more the profit accumulate. This one is hedging. So the more the price of gold goes up, the more the value you hold here keep appreciating. You don't understand? And when you have made profit so far on your trading account, then you can request for part of your account. Let's say this account, let's say now you hedge, this is $700,000. Then let's say you hedge $350,000 on gold. It means 50% of your money has been hedged on physical gold. That's underlying asset, no leverage. So it's difficult to lose the capital, even though the leverage product, the price crash or go against your strategy or whatever. Then it means $350,000 is now opening a position on other products like maybe forex instruments, even the same gold CFD and oil, or no, those other trade you're trading. Now, and as the price of gold keep going up, then the price here, the value here will be going up, at the end of the month, the one you're hedging may even have gained more up to 10% increment. You know that gold always go up. So your $350 will be add $30,000 we added 10%. And the one you are also trading here, and the one you're trading here may also have gained more. So your $350,000 also added. So at the same time, you are now playing as a big board, the same way the big hedge fund, big banks, the big company that you are referencing, claiming that they are the best in the industry, the way they are trading. That's the same way now you're playing, because you now have access to the same market. Do you understand? So now, let's say this market, this one has gained. You have gained maybe from $300,000 to maybe to $1 million, because you know it's leverage. Then you could be able to hedge part of it. You can say, okay, out of this $1 million, let me move back 500,000. Then it can move back like 500,000 back to gold. Then you see that it will give you equivalent of 3,000 gram of gold. Then you submit it. So you have hedged part of the profit you have made on your trading account back to the gold. Remember, you want to know everything from an MT5 account. Then back to the gold market. Then if you click submit here, of course, then it will go in, submitted. Then this platform will process your order, and part of your money will be moved back. Part of your money on your trading account will come back to your gold hedging while you continue trading. So now you see how the strategy works. So the same way that when you want to make a deposit, you can, if you want to make maybe let's say $5,000 deposit. That $5,000 deposit. Then so you may decide to not to put all of them. You may decide not to put all of them into your trading account. Let's say the trading account is 242. This is MT5 account. Then you can choose to say, okay, I want maybe okay, what did I put? Okay, I put 50,000. Okay, let me just use it. Maybe we're all big boys. That's where this money is coming to my ear like that. So let's say now you have this amount. You may say, okay, I want to hedge 30% of this money on gold. So automatically 12,500. Okay, that's 25%. That's 25%. So 25% of this money will now hedge on physical gold, while 37,000 will go into your trading account. And you're trading. So you may say, no, okay, I want to hedge half of it entirely on gold, which is about 50%. It means like $25,000 could hedge on gold, while $25,000 is trading for you. Then how you can now say gold investment, I just want to put all of them on gold. Since gold alone can give me profit even without me trading. Yeah, which is very much possible. Only gold alone can give me profit, which is without me trading. You can say, okay, I want to put all the money into gold. Then you move it. It means you have allocated all your money into gold. So there will be no money again in your MT5 account. Again, there will be no money, because all your money is now moved to gold, and you have your contract note automatically. And as the price of gold keep going up, as I showed you from the homepage, or okay, even from here, so you can see the price of gold, but the percentage is not showing. Let me close this one. Even from here, you see the price of gold. So as the price of gold keep going up, then the value of your investment on gold at the same time going up. So if you could make profit more, then you could move. This is how the platform works, and how you can be able to hedge your account with physical gold, and how you can be able to also make a good investment automatically into your account, and be able to hedge your account, prevent your account, manage the risk, not just leveraging on stop loss alone, and you can make a good return of your investment. So the company has a lot of offer. You could also, of course, do referral, bring your friends. These days, you know that some of your friends are taking a high risk, trading on different platforms, shouting, their blood pressure are going up. You can now bring them to a platform like this where they can be able to hedge the account with gold. Then how do we come here? How do we help? You know that we have a community where we belong. So all you have to do is this. You sign up an account with the brokers we are using to trade. You can decide to hedge with physical gold or not. Let's say now you decide to hedge. That means you hedge part of your account on gold and part of your account on trading account. Then we give analysis on daily and weekly basis. You can pick those analysis to trade. You don't need to stress yourself much. Or you may say, okay, no, I don't want to use those analysis to trade. I'm a busy professional. You can connect your account to the automated platform, which is MT5. Then those are the platform we execute your order. This platform use MAM. They didn't mention it. They use a multi-account management platform connected to AvaTrade, and you can be able to make your executions. Now, somebody may want to know more how it is connected to AvaTrade and how everything is being done. So let me show you. So when you click on profile for the privacy purpose, I have to stop the account so that I will not show some of the details. So that I have to stop sharing so that I will not show some of the details. So now I'm sharing now. So when you click on profile, you will see where you can add account here. Those on the Zoom, I hope you can see my screen, right? Yeah, you should see my screen now. So when you click on profile, I hope those on Zoom, you can see my screen now. When you click on profile, you will see add account. As you click on add account, then you see that it will take you to AvaTrade. So that's why I told you, even another platform can be connected to it. So if you click here now, it can take you to AvaTrade. But one beautiful thing about this company, because since they are in partner with a big company, you may not even need to pass through AvaTrade. You can get AvaTrade account from their platform. Once you are verified, you get the same AvaTrade account, you get everything. So it can go to AvaTrade here. And once you click here, it's going to take you straight to AvaTrade. Let me click on it so that you see. So as you can see, it has taken you straight to AvaTrade platform. Then you'll be able to get everything. This is, of course, how big AvaTrade is. AvaTrade is heavily licensed broker, like heavily licensed. So if you go to the homepage, you see all the license and everything. Then you can be able to get your account connected and everything. Yeah, so these are the licensing and everything. They have more than, I think more than 15 licenses where they are and everything. So then you can be able to get the account connected, but it's not really like a must that you must get it, because I told you if you open an account here, you can easily get the account connected. Then immediately you add the account and be able to connect, and that's the point when you're signing up and completing your profile, you will have to select whether you want automated trading or manual. If you choose manual trading, it means you're the one trading your account by yourself. Automation and hybrid, it means you can connect to automated platform and the orders will be executed, and you'll be making your money and also be hedging part of your money on gold. And at the same time, then you can be picking our top-notch analysis to be trading and be making your profit and also managing your risk. So this is one of the perfect platform how you can be able to hedge your account with gold, and this is the best so far. We have never seen in industry. Let me know if you have any question, and any of you that want to, some of you are already here already. So any of you that want to get started, we can be able to get you started as soon as possible. Thank you. Okay. Mhm. Gold. No, there's no high price on gold at all. Even when it was 2,000, people were saying it was high. So gold is possibly going to hit $5,000 in the in coming months. Yeah, very very possible. Yeah, in fact, as long as Donald Trump is in power, it's possibly going to hit that. And look at one thing about hedging. When we say hedging and gold and whatever, is that uh, let's say if you are an experienced investor, there will be a time to be moving in and moving out. Do you understand? For example, the price has dropped a bit, up to 10% dropped. It's another time to hedge. Then before you know what's happening, 2 or 3 months time, the price goes up, then the one you're hedging has surged to maybe 10 to 20% profit, only the one you are hedging. So you need to know the actual time to be hedging it accordingly. It's not that you're going to be hedging the entire gold ounce, like maybe 4,000, like entire ounce of gold on it. No. So there's no perfect time to go into any trading except the time that you decide. Yeah. So we have shared the link with you guys. So those of you that want to join, we'll be happy to welcome you to join the this thing. So let me know if there's another question, how I can be able to help you. No, the link is now here, so you can open the account now, even as I'm talking to you. So if you click on the link on the chat session, you can be able to see it. Then any of you that want to open an account, I may be happy to be the one to be on session with you to finish everything with you. But it's only Avatar we have for now that are currently work with them. So if more exchange connect to them and more broker connect to them, of course you will see it, because if you see the concept of our platform is designed to help you diversified. That may be tomorrow you may see that you cannot even hedge your cryptocurrency with gold, so, and which is not even for forex. I think you know that one. Maybe they can connect other API to it so that crypto volatility can also be hedged. But now it's AvaTrade. Mm, yeah. So let me know if there are more questions. We have encouraged our students, our traders to hedge. We don't need to force you to do that, but we have to encourage you because it will help you to prevent uncertainties and market volatility. This is one of the reasons why you guys used to have conflict with people shouting, my money, my money. This is one of the reasons why you guys also used to get into depression, because you may not always think that you go the same way you think. Stop loss cannot prevent you from the risk management. One of the ways the big companies are preventing themselves from risk management is that they are hedging. That is the only way. The big companies, if you do your research, information is there on the internet, they are hedging. And that is also the reason why gold is going on, because all the big companies are hedging their asset classes on gold. There are a lot of gold investment going on from the federal, from the reserve banks to hedge fund companies and the asset management companies who are pushing a lot of investment on gold. And gold is always something that hardly depreciates in value. Yeah. So let me know if I have more questions. We have Cole, we have Ejima. So we have some of you here. So if you have more questions, we are free to answer. So the people on our YouTube, um, let me know whether you have a question too, so I can be able to answer you. We wouldn't want to take much of your time. Somebody said, "Can I hedge with $50?" I'm not sure. So it's only gold you can hedge into the platform. Gold is only used for hedging, so you can hedge every other platform on gold using gold. Do you understand? So somebody can hedge $50. I'm not sure you can hedge gold $50. Because hedging is for those who are using big account. The account is growing, so they can hedge it against risk. Do you understand? So it's for those that account is growing, so you can hedge it against risk. These are the people, these are the reason for hedging. So it's not like you can hedge $50. Hedging, you can use gold to hedge any of your investment. The same way some of you use real estate to hedge part of your investment. Yeah. So let me know if there are more questions, please. Any question? I think something went off. I didn't understand. Something just went up. Okay. I think yeah, I think some of you are somehow quiet. Maybe you are amazed. You are thinking a lot of things in your mind. Say what is in your mind. We have 5 minutes to go. Maybe it's confusing. You say, yeah, good evening, Mr. Alahaji Zaf. Yeah. No, no, no. kind of, it depends on you. That's why I said, if I'm the one onboarding you, I'll try to know your objective, how, like, yeah, your objective, what you want to achieve in the market. Then we know how you can say, okay, you can hedge for like 1 month, 2 months, or 6 months. You know, for example, if you're like a long-term trader, then you can just be hedging as long as you keep trading. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm trying to say, yeah. For example, you know that if you buy something, you can just expect profit immediately. Let's say on gold, so it may allow you to, you know, to hedge. Maybe you want to trade for like 3 months time, or 2 weeks time, or 1 year time. There's no particular time you could. Just like this platform allow hedging and prevent capital loss. That is the major message you have to go home with. A platform that allow good hedging and prevent capital from losing. So if you have a platform like that, yeah, if you have a platform like that, you can come up with it. There's no platform, even one of the best brokers in Nigeria don't have it. Yeah, that's that's the message I want you to go home. A platform that allow good physical gold hedging and prevent you from losing your capital. I'd rather it to give you chances to make more money when the gold price is rising at the same time, and also give you chances to make money when you're trading. Yeah. So So any of you that want to sign up, this is a free um, program, but we have to call for sign up, because if you're not signing up, we may not be able to allow you to join us for free. Yeah, because people have already paid us for your time, and we also appreciate your time for coming. So if you're interested, we will also be able to teach you properly, like, other things that you may need to know: how to set up account, how to get account verified, and everything. And I've shared the link with you. And I would also like to take attendance. I think one of our assistants is here. Wiseta is here. Is one of our assistants. She's quiet, but if you drop your attendance here, she's gonna see it and pick it up from you. Also, those that are on our streaming, we also want to welcome you to take your attendance as well. But maybe you may have to send, if you drop it on streaming, everybody's gonna see it there. But if you can send it to us, then you can send it to us privately. Check our channel, you'll be able to see our contact. We can be able to have a one-on-one with you and set you up. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think more people are trying to join us, but we're almost rounding up. Mhm. So let me know about your questions. I'll be able to take further of your questions. So has anyone um, dropped their attendance, so we can be able to get to know you? And did you all come from our Telegram? Okay, somebody said I already have your WhatsApp. Okay, fine. So we'll be onboarding people as soon as possible. Those of you that want to connect, make sure you follow all the instructions that we have given. We have dropped the link. Then you can send us personally as this thing. So we want to be able to guide you on properly get you on board. If you already have an AvaTrade account, you can let us know. Then we'll be able to assist you. It's a new strategy we are working with, and this is one of the best strategies that have solved the problem of capital loss in trading. Some of you are Nigerians, you already know how people used to shout when they lose capital in trading, how they used to go into depression. Now that problem is over. Rather, there will be chances of making dual profit while you are trading. Remember, there's also automated trading platform. You can be able to automate your trade. You don't even need to be there at all time to trade it. Then for those of you that are just joining now, so we're almost rounding up, but the meeting is recorded, and it's a short meeting that's recorded, so they can be able to watch it over and over again. Yeah. So I want to wish you guys. I want to thank you for your time, and for those of you that have dropped their personal contact, we're gonna contact you and be able to put you through. And if you have any other information, we can be able to let you know. Then check our Telegram. We have our Telegram. Make sure you join our Telegram group. And we also have our educational program. You can be able to join. We also be able to teach you another investment strategy and trading strategy that you will need to grow your account. Thank you so much, and do have a wonderful weekend. Oh, sorry, a wonderful night. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.